naman kawawa dito. Nabigyan ka ng malita.
May influencer.
Hello, boss.
Ay ka ba nagsistay dito lang pa ni mong instahan?
Oh, mupin ang kas kay barato pa. 67 lang ako. Ano yung sabi?
Tell me, baby, did it feel right to be with you and at the same time lose myself?
Na-cancel ito eh. Di ba ka-cancel ito ng mga nepo? Kay, basta related na Romaldos pero Hirayo. Hiya ba talaga? Kasi nga yan.
Okay. Sakto. Iya.
Ayan. Tawa, wala yung book.
What the fuck?
Hiya ang good hiya.
Hello,
Hello.
guys.
Hello, Bians. Si vlogger. Kumusta, pre? Gulo.
Pumunta.
Grabe.
Super many.
Imagine mo what was a
Medyo mabugati yan.
Tutok na.
Let's go.
Okay.
Mapabuli ka? Nagbalon ka pa hin lang. Oh, green belt na dito. Para sa akin malapit na. Kahit 5K malapit na sa akin. Hali kami na guys sa Salcedo with the Salcedo girlies.
Go.
Salcedo girly.
Salcedo girly na may malita. Yun ang nagpadaray mo siya yun. Zaldi.
Bahala na lang mabuburi kita basta di kita mag-iiligan.
Doon tayo.
May nangali.
Kami guys sa Ayala. Let's go. Wala kasi 20 seconds. Continuous. Di ba green belt na to? Ay, hindi pa. Oo, tama na. Sige na. Ako mapump. Oh, di ba?
Sunyo ka.
Ito parang lola. Try nyo to.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine. You're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Bye, Shane.
May ate.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Parang bitch.
Injured. Ayan na. Bye-bye. See you again. See you. Bye-bye.
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you.